As do all stories, we look at the beginning. When starting this project, we began by asking, what is art? A painting, poem, statue, or something else? We decided art is anything that touches the heart, that awakens that innermost core of oneself and inspires and illuminates. That is art. When we looked at contemporary Islamic woodcraft, we felt the creations were impersonal, lacked imagination, and with no love behind them. The materials used didn't reflect the beauty of Islamic arts of the past. This contradicted the rich and vibrant history of Islamic art, where artists were meticulous about their work. They understood and embraced the subtle nuances of their craft to such a degree that when one gazes upon a piece of Islamic art from the past, a spiritual attachment is felt to one's creator. This is what we want to revive in Islamic art. QM Design has a sound understanding of Islamic calligraphy and traditional modern techniques in wood handcrafts. It is this understanding and experience that has allowed us to bring a personal touch to contemporary Islamic art. Our work doesn't eclipse, but complements the beauty of traditional calligraphy and transcends this through our various pieces. Our pieces aren't just created for today, but for tomorrow as well. Therefore, you can be assured that they will last a lifetime and their quality is evident. Beauty isn't just in the eye of the beholder, but also in the hand. We make sure that the wood, the gradient, its color and texture are all perfect. So when you feel the smoothness of our pieces, breathe in the subtle fragrances of the wood and soak in their color, you know you are in possession of a QM design piece.